So first thing we're going to do is gather all your accessories, and that means including tapes and two tapes. One will be for your playback, so something that was recorded already and you're just going to play back that tape. And then get another tape. Your second tape would be one that you know you can record over. So if it's something that's has some other recording on it, but you know you can record over it, or it could be a blank tape. So obviously something that has the safety tab set to where you can record over that second tape. So we're going to be looking at two different cameras I've been having problems with actually, and they're both MiniDV format. So the first one is